Well, a couple comments about this market. This is a daily market. You can see the prices going up and down, and just about, starting the end of March, we have just had a really squirrely pile of mess. Now, a couple things you might notice is the short-term ergodic is turning over as this market is trying to find out which way it's going. And it looked like we had a head and shoulders the other day. It looks like we still do because the ergodic is still going down. So there's not a lot we can do with this, except to stay sharp. I'll show you the one move that's happening during a day. I will have noticed over the years that when we have a market that's been doing this, I'll show you what seems to happen around noon, not during the normal trading hours. Here's a move that happens at 11 o'clock, and it's almost 15 points from 1187, well, 13 points, to 1200. And there was only one short hiccup in here. But when you've got the short-term ergodic, this is on the long-term time frame now, above its moving average, you get a nice move. You get a very small pullback in here, about a point and a half. That was where traders are taking their profits and thanking themselves for being in so long. And then from 12 all the way to about 1 o'clock, the entire move happened during lunch. So you had about a 2-hour window here to pick up 15 points. As you know, I don't like trading during midday, but this was an exceptional move. Now, how do you catch those? You just catch them by doing the simple thing of trading with that simple trading system we talk about. You wait till you've got the pesavento bar, the color changes and it crosses its moving average, and if it's going down, you stay short until you get a pesavento bar. Then you've got a color change and a move up. Now, these don't always move these distances. Sometimes this will go to the moving average and it hiccuped. It went above the moving average and it hiccuped. It came back down. Tried to come down to the moving average here, and these are long-term moving averages and long time frames. But you can see how sometimes you simply get lucky. Now, I really hate to sit for 45 minutes while this develops, but it is a way to catch what's going on. So if you want to know what I'm thinking about, I have no clue what the ES is going to do tomorrow. Here it is, looks like a jump up. It's in this more or less topping pattern, in my opinion, and I'd look for another down. I'd look for a down all the way down to 73. This is retraced to 78, and like we said, the market's been going up for over a year and a couple months now. The economy seems good or getting better, but it's very shaky. There's a lot of very shaky things going on, and you ought to follow Bloomberg pretty closely and see some of those things. It is just a feel about what's going to happen the next day, and I can't predict it. I just trade it, but I will watch the overnights, which right now, sorry, I'll move this in here, are going up and down, and right between the range of 1196 and 1199. That's a 3-point range, but you can see it's very undecided. So I just say stay loose and pray. Sorry, can't be much more help than that.